Hey boys and girls, Mr. Sanchez in here. Today we're going to be discussing one more time bar lines on the staff. We're going to be dealing with meter and bar lines, and we did this a few weeks ago, boys and girls, so most of you should be familiar or might be able to remember how to do the bar lines and how many beats can you put on each meter. So for example, the example that I have in here is a 4/4 meter, which means that you're able to put 4 beats on each measure. There are some rhythms in here placed. So right now we just need to figure out how many beats do we have in order to place the bar line that divides the measures. So right here on top, okay, let's go ahead and work in here. So we have 1 plus 1, which equals 2, 2 plus 1 equals 3, and 3 plus 1 equals 4. So these 4 rhythms over here give us our 4 beats, so we're going to go ahead and place the bar line right after them. Then our next rhythm is a 2 followed by a ta, ta. So 2 is one sound the last 2 beats. So 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3 plus 1 equals 4. So we have another bar line place. Now going down over here, we have TT. Remember, TT has 2 sounds but counts as a beat each. So 1 plus 1 equals 2, 2 plus 1 equals 3, 3 plus 1 equals 4. So we place our bar line right here. And our final rhythm here is 4, which is one sound the last 4 beats. So that gives the total of 4 beats. Since it is the end of the song, we're going to go ahead and put not 1 but 2 bar lines. This is what we call a double bar line. That indicates that it's the end of the song. Alright, so this was an example for a 4/4 meter. Now let's go ahead and work on a different meter. And in this particular example, I'm going to do a 2/4 meter. So bear with me while I erase this. Alright, so we're going to do a 2/4 meter. 2/4, 2/4, which means that you can put a total of 2 beats per measure. So let's say that I have ta, ta, and remember ta is one sound and 1 beat, so 1 plus 1 equals 2, so there's our first bar line over there. I'm going to put the next rhythm as 2, and since 2 has 2 beats, that completes the measure. So we put a bar line next to it. Let's put TT ta here. So TT, one sound the last one beat, one beat that has 2 sounds. It's 2 sounds and 1 beat. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. So I'm going to place a bar line next to it. Let's go down over here. TT, TT. Once again, TT, 2 sounds, the last 1 beat each. So 1 beat in here, 1 beat in there, so that makes 2. So we put a bar line over here. And let's put ta, ta. Remember, ta is 1 sound and 1 beat, so 1 plus 1 equals 2. So we place a bar line here. And let's finish with another 2 in here. Okay, so 1 sound the last 2 beats, that pretty much takes the whole measure. So we put a double bar line because it is the end of the song. So hopefully this will give you a reminder, since the next activity that you guys will be completing has to deal with you guys placing the bar lines and dividing the rhythms in the correct spot. So good luck.